Hey Ethereum! Welcome back to my new video and Takrim Media.
Top New Collection Motorcycle Leather Gloves Reviews 2026.
Number 4.
Excellent warmth and comfortable. Heated gloves are made of waterproof and windproof polyester, and the inside with breathable comfort material, waterproof and anti-slip, durable and breathable, keep your hands warm but sweat-free. Including waterproof windproof layer, heating layer, warm layer.
Number 3.
Retro Winter Motorcycle Leather Gloves with certified safety, fleece lining for warmth, and anti-fall protection. Durable construction offers impact resistance and grip, while touchscreen-friendly fingertips keep you connected. Perfect for cold weather riding, motoring, and daily commutes with style and comfort.
Number 2.
New Revit Sand 3 Trial Motorcycle Adventure Touring Gloves with ventilated design and genuine leather construction. Comfortable, breathable protection for riders on long journeys. Reinforced palm and knuckle guards enhance safety, while flexible fit ensures control and grip in varied conditions, ideal for racing or trail riding.
Number 1.
Specifications, types of glove, with fourchettes, craft of weaving, knit, cycling jersey pad style, domestic pants pad, model number, MT017, feature, shock absorbing, gender, universal, material, polyester spandex, brand name, ROCKBROS, origin, mainland China, CN, Zhejiang.
If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.